Hey guys, it's Visto. I am here to walk you through another one of the Delta Math assignments. So I'm going to pop this open real quick. I'm looking at adding and subtracting polynomials. So here we go. This is an adding problem. And when we are adding, we basically are going to, I'm going to show my work kind of on the side. We, first of all, are going to drop everything, or drop the parentheses so that we can see all of our like terms together. Okay? So now I can see everything, and now I'm just looking for what are the like terms in this problem. So first things first, I see a 9x squared, and I'm looking for, is there any other x squareds that I should account for? So I've got 18x squareds. Awesome, then I'm diving in and I'm looking for, I got a -8. Are there any other regular numbers? Yep, I see a +3, and -8 plus 3. If I owe you $8 and I only pay you 3 back, that means I still owe you $5. And then last but not least, this 9x right here doesn't have any friends, but we still have to account for them. So I'm going to add plus 9x in the back. Now to get this typed in, let's see if we can make that happen. 18x to the second. And then we had a -5. And then we finished that with that lonely plus 9x. Not going to worry about putting it in a specific order or anything. I'm just going to type it. Whoa, that's bad news. Let's get some deleting going on here. Looks like I have one more to delete. Sorry about this, guys. I was a little wild and crazy there for a second. I'm not going to worry about putting it in any specific order. I'm just going to make sure I have all my like terms. So let's submit our answer. And of course, it'll tell us if we're right or not. Let's go next problem. Hey, great problem for us to talk about real quick. If you are seeing these subtract something from something else, hit give up. We're not too worried about these, so don't worry too much about them. I don't want you to be confused at all by them, so just totally feel comfortable hitting give up if you see lots of words in your math problem. Okay, so this one I'm going to hit give up. If you want to give it a try, of course, watch that help video, but I'm hitting give up. It'll show me how to do it. Don't really care. Here we go. This is the subtraction I like to see. Let's kick things off. And I'm going to, again, show my work on the side. So I'm going to start fresh this time. One thing that I think we all have to be careful of is we are subtracting the entire back set of parentheses. And what that means in terms of math is that that negative hits everywhere in those next parentheses. So when we do that, the negative on the -7x squared becomes a plus 7x squared. And the negative on the 4x becomes a minus 4x. Same thing, the negative on the plus 10 makes it a minus 10. Do not touch the first parentheses, because those are just going to chill on their own. Okay, now we have stuff where we're set up to collect like terms. After we deal with the negative, then we get to collect like terms. So let's get going on those like terms. The first ones I see, hopefully you see too, are the 9x and the -4x for a total of 5x's. Continuing on our like terms journey, 1 minus 10 makes a -9. Right? If I am winning by 1 and then the other team scores 10 goals, now all of a sudden I'm losing by 9, which would be kind of a bummer. And then finally, what color have we not used? Let's just go with purple. Where are you? There we go. That 7x squared is just standing alone, no friends, but it still matters. So I'm going to tack that on, but it doesn't change at all. Okay, wish me luck as I type these in. 5x minus 9. See if that worked. And then that plus 7x squared. Yep. It's worth a try. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, you guys might just have to trust me. It's kind of a disaster going on here. Oh, did I get it? Fingers crossed. Hey, so far so good. The problem is that's not supposed to be a 7. It's supposed to be a 9. You guys will use your keyboard like normal. I'm just on my tablet, so it's being kind of wonky, which is totally fine. As long as we can get it all in, submit our answer, and feel like a rock star, we are good to go. So you are practicing adding and subtracting. Remember, when you see ones that look like this, you can, once again, click give up. I know you can do this. Be in touch if you need help. You guys are rock stars. You got this.